Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $266.76 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $263.03 to $270.41. The earlier day close, $264.67. The change was plus 209, plus 179%. Converse rate, US to BCH. Bitcoin cash gauge for May 2024. Before all else cost at $233. Excessive cost $289, while low cost $233. The normal for the month $256. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $270. Change for May 15 9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $270. Exorbitant cost $270, while low cost $227. The normal for the month $253. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $244, change for June 6%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for July 2024. Before all else cost at $244. Excessive cost $274, while low cost $238. The normal for the month $253. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $256, change for July 9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $256. Excessive cost $309, while low cost $256. The normal for the month $278. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $289, change for August 9%. Bitcoin cash estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $289. Exorbitant cost $322, while low cost $280. The normal for the month $298. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $301, change for September 2%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $301. Excessive cost $335, while low cost $291. The normal for the month $310. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $313, change for October 4%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for November 2024. Before all else cost at $313. Excessive cost $388, while low cost $313. The normal for the month $344. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $363, change for November 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at $363. Excessive cost $392, while low cost $340. The normal for the month $365. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $366, change for December's 8%. Bitcoin cash figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $366. Excessive cost $397, while low cost $345. The normal for the month $370. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $371, change for January 4%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at $371. Exorbitant cost $403, while low cost $351. The normal for the month $376. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $377, change for February 6%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for Walk 2025. At the outset cost at $377. Excessive cost $404, while low cost $352. The normal for the month $378. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $378, change for spring 3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for April 2025. To start with cost at $378. Exorbitant cost $469, while low cost $378. The normal for the month $416. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $438, change for April 9%. Bitcoin cash estimate for May 2025. In the first place cost at $438. Exorbitant cost $486, while low cost $422. The normal for the month $450. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $454, change for May 7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at $454. Excessive cost $488, while low cost $424. The normal for the month $456. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $456, change for June to 4%. Bitcoin cash figure for July 2025. Initially cost at $456. Excessive cost $468, while low cost $406. The normal for the month $442. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $437, change for July 2%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2025. Initially cost at $437. Excessive cost $488, while low cost $424. The normal for the month $451. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $456, change for August 3%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for September 2025. Initially cost at $456. Excessive cost $456, while low cost $356. The normal for the month $413. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $383, change for September 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at $383. Exorbitant cost $475, while low cost $383. The normal for the month $421. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $444, change for October 9%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for November 2025. At the outset, cost at $444. Excessive cost $444, while low cost $347. The normal for the month $402. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $373, change for November 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at $373. Exorbitant cost $373, while low cost $291. The normal for the month $338. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $313, the change for December 1%. Bitcoin cash estimate for January 2026. To start with, cost at $313. Exorbitant cost $313, while low cost $245. The normal for the month $284. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $263, change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $263. Excessive cost $319, while low cost $263. The normal for the month $286. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $298, change for February 3%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for Walk 2026. At the outset, cost at $298. Excessive cost $370, while low cost $298. The normal for the month $328. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $346,